So hey guys, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another vlog of Soms Lifestyle. We are back here at RC Tunes after a long time, and we have Adi over here. So hello.
Hi.
How are you doing?
All good. How are you guys?
All good. And we have an Audi today.
Yes.
So it is model bata do ek bar.
Yeah. We've got an Audi A5. It's got a 2-liter TDI. We will be doing a stage 1 ECU tune and a gearbox tune. So this car from factory is 190 bhp and 400 Nm torque.
Okay.
Most of these cars are workhorses. So the kind of tune that we have for this is the drivability factor is improving the drivability. And we've just flashed the tune. And we are going to be going and testing it and showing you guys how insane a simple stage 1 can be for your car.
Yeah.
So the rest I think Somashish is going to do with his reactions, explain with his reactions.
Of course. And we have done the bench tuning in this case.
Yes.
This is bench tuned, and we will probably tune the gearbox as well.
Yes, we will be doing the gearbox as well. So the thing with these cars is that the shift nature is more suitable for rolling traffic, in the sense that when we are in stop-start traffic, the gearbox tends to shift to the second gear very quickly. And also the characteristics of shifts doesn't really complement the stage 1 tune. So what happens with the stage 1 gearbox tune is that we change the few parameters that come from factory to help suit the driving style in the city. So it makes it a little easier and a little smoother to drive, and of course because of that it improves the longevity of the gearbox. So it's like a win-win in both cases.
Right. And it got a Superchips stage 1?
Yes,
So
Superchips both ways.
Yeah. What is the increase?
So we are looking at around 221 bhp, that's over 30 plus bhp of increment, and 50 plus Nm gain. So we are now at 451 bhp. Now this is with normal diesel and stock hardware.
451 Newton meters of torque.
Yes, 451 Nm. And we are going to be testing the shift quality and everything in the video that you are about to see.
Right.
To show you how much of a difference it can make in a simple car like this.
Right. By the way, RC Tunes has lots to offer. I can see all over. So what all you guys are cooking?
So,
क्या आने वाला है?
We've got some very big major projects coming.
Right.
In fact, everyone's been talking about the M340i's lately,
Yeah.
and those engines are a masterpiece. In fact, they're a Hall of Fame engine in terms of BMW history.
Right.
Now, those engines, they have a good amount of aftermarket support, and we've got an insane upgrade coming up for it. In fact, it's almost here, and we will be doing an install video soon. Basically, it enables the car to take significantly higher horsepower, and just to give you guys a little teaser, almost double the horsepower.
Almost double. Okay.
Yes.
M340i's are already insane.
Yes.
So okay, stay tuned in the video. We will show you the Audi first, and then let's talk about the BMWs later on.
Exactly.
Something deep inside makes me feel alone again. They were in my life, never got that closure yet. Push the pain aside, it's heavy when I'm sober, yeah. Turn my thoughts off, I'm over it. 2 shots too deep, I'm alone again. This ain't healthy, she's never helped me, and that's why sometimes you gotta let him go. Oh, I know it's hard, but you're better on your own. I know the sky's got you feeling all alone. I know it's hard, but you gotta let him go. Say it with me, everything is okay. But you gotta let him go. I know it's hard, but you're better.
What is the difference? You drove the car before the tune?
Yeah, I drove the car before the tune. So So the TDIs normally don't have a good top end, and they do suffer from good amount of lag. So we are seeing good changes and improvements in those fronts, and of course the car is a lot faster and more responsive. So
Right.
it's just as if we've just put a bigger turbo in it, and the engine's a lot more healthier in that regard. So we're stuck in traffic now because thanks to evening rush hour.
Of course.
Yeah. So
And this car is driven a hell lot, right?
yeah, it's over 1 lakh kilometers driven. I think I can show it to you guys. Yeah, there.
So here you guys can see the car is driven 1,03,631 kilometers right now, and फिर भी it's pulling.
Yeah, it's thankfully it's in a decent condition.
Huh.
The only thing with these cars, what I keep telling everyone is to follow the schedule, maintenance schedule, oil change, timing kit, water pump, thermostat, all these things. You have to keep these TDIs in check.
Right.
Otherwise, they keep going. So, like if you've done those following replacements, then you're good for another 1 lakh kilometers, which is a big deal.
Right.
So yeah.
Crazy. ये वाला पुल crazy था भाई. India, bro, we can't help it. So, bro, the ECU is done. Stage 1 complete.
Yes.
And now it's time for the TCU, the gearbox.
Yes, the
right?
gearbox.
And what's the process of this? Because we are showing it for the first time.
Right.
So-
So the process is a little different from the ECU, where we opened the ECU and we tuned the car light in that process. So with the gearbox, we are going to be connecting the device we have through the OBD port, and we're going to be extracting the data from the gearbox and then transferring it to Superchips. From them, we will receive a file and then flash that, and that's it. Our job is done after that. We will go testing.
Right. And for that, you said something voltage, something.
Right. So one very important thing
Uh-huh.
about flashing, in fact, any car, is if the battery is weak, you should refrain from doing an OBD tune. Try to do a bench tune. Now, since this is a gearbox tune, we have to do an OBD. You can bench this gearbox, but right now we won't be able to, since we need the car on a lift for that. And yeah, after this, we'll wait for a while for the battery to charge properly.
Right.
And all other systems are okay, so that's the only thing left, and then we'll start with the tuning process.
Right. So the TCU is also tuned,
Yes.
and
Car's
अभी
a lot smoother.
लॉट स्मूथ है. अभी आप लोग देख सकते हो मीटर पे गियर शिफ्ट कैसे हो रहा है इसका.
Yeah, it's responding much better also.
हाँ.
Shifts are a little less jerky in comparison to the stock.
Right.
And in slower city speeds also, I'm seeing the gearbox is being a little bit more responsive. It's able to handle the power a little better as well. So overall, it just feels faster. So I think that is something that if you're driving the car, you'll definitely notice a difference.
Right.
So let's now further test it, because there's a lot of traffic.
Lot
So
of
this is
traffic.
a good time to actually stress test the car.
Hmm.
So that's what we're doing at the moment.
And this car is wheel spinning like crazy.
Yeah, it's very easy to get this car to spin its wheels. Good amount of power, very good amount of power. It's just adequate for somebody on the highway also, but for city it's like a bit crazy. This is a DQ382, so it's a very proven gearbox. Several WAG cars use it, and it's quite robust. Its shifts are lightning quick. It's not a slouch of a gearbox for sure. So it pairs well with this powertrain. Usually what ends up happening with the TDI is you get a DQ250 in the lower end cars. So this paired with this 2-liter TDI is quite a delight to drive, even though this car is quite heavy for that matter.
Yeah.
But I mean, I can see myself doing a lot of kilometers, lot of miles in this very comfortably, and not actually regretting driving a diesel, because now people are always wanting a petrol power. This has good top end for a diesel. So yeah.
I'm very sorry guys, I totally forgot to end the video over there. So the Audi was amazing and भाई पूरा मक्खन हो चुका था गाड़ी मतलब गियर बॉक्स बोल लो, उसका पावर डिलीवरी बोल लो, पावर डिलीवरी गियर बॉक्स, इट वाज सो नाइस, इट वाज सो स्मूथ, इट वाज नॉट मतलब rugged, it was very smooth, very linear and it was fast AF. So if you want to tune your car, tune your gearbox, if you have high-end cars, if you have normal cars, you just can visit RC Tunes for any kind of performance modifications, and the contact number is given in the description, address also is given in the description box. Definitely can contact them, refer my name and you will get a discount for sure. And if you guys enjoyed today's video for whatsoever reason, do hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn notification bells on, follow me on Instagram at @teamlike.username 404. As always, I'm at the end of today's video. I look forward to seeing you next video real soon. Bye.